Hello, it's Darren from Investor Income. Welcome to the channel, or thanks for coming back. Do appreciate your time, and I hope you enjoy the way we trade. We are looking at trading Nadex for a living. Is it possible? Absolutely, it is possible. However, with Nadex and binary options, you need to know the entries. Entries are absolutely critical because it gives you the absolutely best price to get out of those options. Unlike with Forex, where you've got some time, you don't need to make the move necessarily. With Nadex, you do need to be more accurate with your entries. But on the plus side to that, unlike Forex, your risk is capped, which is why I love it. But the expiry time is very important. So here we're looking at the euro dollar, and you can see the trade up the top here, absolute perfect one. And it comes down nicely, and that is pretty much the perfect binary trade if you're looking at binaries. We trade deviation. It's not the only thing we trade, but we do specialize on deviation from moving averages, and we get excellent entries and exit signals. The system does take a bit of getting used to. It is available if you're interested. If you email investorincome@gmail.com, I'll put the email link at the bottom. If you are interested, I'm getting a group of traders together, and we're going to trade this and absolutely smash it. I think it's without doubt the best value training you will receive, period. It's been 10 years in the making. I made a video yesterday about it. We just do the same thing over and over. I'm sure if these videos, if you've seen them before, get a bit monotonous, or they are different setups, but at the end of the day, that's what it is. You just do the same thing over and over. It builds your confidence in the system. You see how it trades. You don't just go straight in when you get the strategy and learn in one evening and then place live trades. You know, you've got to get used to it. You've got to put some chart time in. But I think people are seeing already that there's a lot of value in what we give here. And it's not what you see out there. We don't trade the way other people trade. If you want to trade your trend trading strategy that can never lose, or you want to trade your reversals or whatever, that's great. Go ahead. I specifically have learned over this time that if you trade all those strategies, you're going to end up like everyone else. Everyone else gets wiped out. Why do you think everyone gets wiped out? It's because they're all trading the same thing. They're all trading support lines, trend breakouts, wedges. Everyone's trading the same stuff. You know, zooming in, looking at candlesticks. Let's have a look in here. I actually like candlesticks. You know, that's where I started learning candlesticks. But honestly, give me an idea. Let's try a bit. I might not be fair. Let me be fairer. Look, let me really see the. Right now, yeah, we know when to enter, don't we? With my oscillator, you do, but you don't. Otherwise, do you? Or trade the pullback until you can't. Anyway, this is how we trade. Absolutely, you can trade Nadex for a living. You just need the good entries. You might need to re-enter trades, and your original one might come out for a break even or a small loss. But as you re-enter the trades at even better prices, you will notice every time that it reverts. It has to. No moving average out there doesn't have the price revert to it because it's an average, strangely enough. It's the average of the price. Therefore, all prices must return. If this is parabolic, up vertical, obviously, when you're placing trades on the way up, you're going to be in trouble. These averages never do that because that's not the way the markets work. The markets will not just go straight up. They can have seriously trending up days or weeks even. But in amongst those, there are always opportunities. And with Nadex Binary Options, you're looking at those opportunities. It doesn't have to stop its trend. It's just got to retrace a little bit. We're not always trading against either. We can trade with as well. We can hedge ourselves. You know, we can get some fantastic trades with the trend as well. So I do hope you join us. I'm getting a small group of traders together. It's ridiculous value at the minute. I really hope you get in contact if you want to learn Nadex or you want to learn Forex, in fact. But Nadex is excellent because your risk is capped and you don't suffer those spikes. So if you are interested, please do get in contact with me and the group and the guys in there at the minute. There's only a few of us, and I think they're enjoying what they're learning. and we want to get the right people. I'm not interested in having people in the group who aren't interested in the strategy. If you want to trade some other strategy, that's fine. Go elsewhere. If you've got your own strategy, I don't know why you're looking at this video. So I'm just interested in genuine people. This can genuinely make a difference to people's lives. I believe that it has to mine, especially in the last 4 years. I will go in, I have been into detail before my other videos about my trading history in the first 10 years were painful. Not all the time. I did make some crazy money at one stage, up and down the whole time. But ultimately, most of the accounts got blown. Luckily, I didn't put life savings in or anything. I was fairly sensible. I did kind of play with money I could afford to lose and all that good advice. But ultimately, the banks got my money. So that doesn't happen anymore. They may get a little bit of it, but I get far more of theirs than they get mine now. But that is a long time coming. So do please join the group if you want to. Email me. I'd love to hear from you. If not, I wish you a good time. And yes, you can make a living on Nadex. If you found a better system, please have a great time. We trade the system. Have a look at my other videos as well, but there are other indicators we use here. I'm just showing you the core of it, obviously. I'm not giving my strategy away that I've worked on for 10 years for free, but it is absolutely ridiculous value at the minute. I'm not saying that it's going to stay that way, because clearly I don't want a massive group of people. The bigger the group gets, the more problems you can get with people in the group and causing problems, etc. And we just want to trade and make a lot of money together. So I do hope you enjoy this video. Take care of yourselves. I wish you all the safety and best in these weird times that we are in. However, if you look at what the period we are in history, you'll find that this is absolutely massive opportunities. That you can't just trade currencies with this. You can trade any asset, which takes a bit of time getting your head around. But I've proved it, and I can show you any asset. I trade stocks, I trade Bitcoin, I trade currencies, all with the same strategy. You can't trade all those on Nadex, I realise, but I've got 3 different platforms I use. My life can get very busy, and it's almost a case of there's too many opportunities out there to get involved in. So I hope you enjoy the video. Take care of yourselves. I'll talk to you soon.